In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to flip your video using CapCut. This is a handy skill, especially if you want to achieve a mirrored effect or simply need to correct the orientation of your footage. So let's dive right into the process. First, you'll want to start by selecting the video you intend to edit. This involves opening CapCut and navigating to your project, where you should see your video clips laid out along the timeline at the bottom of the interface. Clicking on the specific video clip you'd like to flip will highlight it, ensuring that any changes you make will be applied to this particular segment. Next, with your video selected, you'll need to turn your attention to the panel on the right side of your screen. This panel is home to various editing tools and settings. Look for the options labeled Flip Horizontal or Flip Vertical. These are the controls you'll use to create the mirrored effect. The Flip Horizontal option will switch the left and right sides of your video, effectively mirroring it side to side. If your goal is to achieve an upside-down reflection or correct an inverted recording, Flip Vertical is the choice you need. Toggling either of these will apply the effect instantly. After toggling your chosen flip option, you'll notice the change occurs immediately. The video will mirror right there on your screen, allowing you to preview the effect in real time and see exactly how it looks. This instant change is one of the many benefits of using CapCut, as it allows for a quick preview and easy adjustments. And that's all there is to it. Flipping a video in CapCut is a straightforward process that can be completed in just a few clicks. The beauty of this quick transformation is its simplicity, providing you with a visually appealing mirrored effect or an angle correction without needing any complex steps. Before you finish, always double-check your edits to ensure everything appears as intended. Play through your project to confirm that the flipped video fits seamlessly with the rest of your content. If you need to make adjustments, you can simply toggle the flip options again to revert your changes or try a different effect. I hope this guide has helped you understand how to flip your videos with CapCut. It's an excellent tool for refining your projects and experimenting with different visual styles. Thank you for watching, and happy editing.